Hello, it's me Ashley and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. Today guys, I have got for you an unboxing of this month's secret scent box. Yes, so the guys over at Secret Scents have sent me another box this month. Thank you so much. Secret Scents is a fragrance subscription box. Each month we get 3 different designer fragrances to try. There's enough to try for the whole month. They give you a month's supply. Firstly, let's talk about the perfect size to fit through your letterbox. This is a lifesaver. It means you don't have to worry about being in, you don't have to worry about answering the door. Absolutely fab. So I haven't actually opened this month's box yet, so let's do it together. This is the ladies box, but they do also do a men's box. So inside our lovely letterbox friendly box, there is the secret scent box itself. And it's always nicely presented in this lovely black gift box with some lovely silver writing that says secret scent box. And then inside we get a little card that tells us it is the September edition. And then we always get some little information cards about each of the fragrances that we get, and also one that tells us about if you share with the hashtag secret scent box, you may win a £25 Amazon gift card, which is also fab. So as ever, what I'm going to do is talk you through the perfumes one by one and give them a little sniff. But first, if you're interested, the pricing of this is £15 per month, just doing a month-by-month subscription. But if you want to subscribe for 6 months, it's just £14 a month, and it goes to £13 a month if you want to subscribe for the year. And like I say, it gives you a month's supply of fragrance, so perfect. And it's a great way to try different fragrances. It really is. I can be funny once I've worn one a bit and I'm like, oh, you know, I'm not sure I like it. So at least that way I'm not buying the whole bottle. And if I do like them, I can go on to buy a bottle. I did recently purchase a bottle of one of the fragrances in Secret Scents, and I would never have known if it hadn't been for this box. Anyway, let's talk about the fragrances one by one. So our first one is from Jimmy Choo, and it is Illicit. And it says, for the woman who likes to take center stage and set pulses racing, this alluring aroma teases, tantalizes, and delights all of the senses. Well, that sounds nice. It has top notes of ginger and bitter orange, middle notes of rose and jasmine, and base notes of honey and amber accord, as well as sandalwood. So I'm just going to give it a little spray. Ooh. Okay. I don't know what I was expecting it to smell like, but I wasn't expecting that. It's a really nice, fresh, kind of citrusy I suppose, yeah, it's got bitter orange in there. Oh, I like that. That's nice. Okay, our next fragrance is from Michael Kors, and it is a Wanderlust Sublime. And the little write-up says, introducing the new Wanderlust Sublime Eau de Parfum fragrance. Discover a place filled with wonder where endless sensuality awaits. And it has top notes of cardamom, cinnamon, mandarin, and pepper, middle notes of orange blossom, tiare flower, and jasmine, with base notes of wood, sandalwood, tonka bean, and amber. Okay. There's a lot of stuff in there. Ooh. That's really nice. Again, it's quite similar to the first one in that it's got a slight citrusiness about it, but this one I feel like it's a stronger scent. It's really nice, actually. I do like that one. Okay, so now we're going to try the final one, which is from Davidoff, and it is their Cool Water Sea Rose Summer. Woo! And I've just dropped it on the floor. So this one says, a floral woody musk fragrance for women launched in 2019, an iconic addition to the annual summer scents that never disappoint. It has top notes of mandarin, orange, and pear. It has middle notes of rose and base notes of cedar and musk. So they're all very citrusy this month. One on my hand. Again, yes. Very fresh, kind of light, citrusy almost aroma. Ooh, I think I might like that one the best. Okay. Okay, so those are our 3 fragrances for this month. Like I said, they're all very fresh, citrusy aromas. Kind of, I suppose, quite nice, like kind of the last bit of summer that we're going into. It's probably quite perfect for them. And like I said, these will last you all month, so it's something I can try out throughout the month. I do really enjoy these boxes. Like I say, I think it's a brilliant way of trying fragrances because, you know, you're in the shop and you just give them a little spritz. It doesn't always kind of, yeah, you don't always know you're going to enjoy wearing them. So yeah, I'm quite happy with that this month's box. Drop me a comment, guys, and let me know what you think of the box. Are you a subscriber? Does this make you want to subscribe? And if you've enjoyed today's video, then please do me a favour and hit that like button and give me a huge thumbs up. And if you haven't already, it would be absolutely fantastic if you could subscribe. I try to do videos Tuesdays, Thursdays and Face Mask Fridays. And yeah, various stuff, very much like this one. Check out my channel and you'll get the idea. Anyway, thanks so much for watching, guys. Take care and I will see you again soon. Bye-bye.